Does drinking milk when you're sick increase mucus production? Although it might feel like that, it's not the case. See, the mucus production doesn't increase, it's the sensation that feels like there's an increased amount of mucus. Really what happens is that the saliva gets thicker due to the binding of the proteins, and that creates a signal or a sense of, hang on a sec, I need to cough a little bit, or oh, it feels a bit congested here. Next time you consume dairy and you're sick, it's not because of the dairy, it's because your brain is getting fooled by your saliva. Strange.